Hi guys, so today's video consists of a light bulb moment. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a camshaft lamp. I'm going to do it using just basic tools, so anybody should be able to do this at home with just a basic set of tools. So step one, find a suitable camshaft. This is a V6 GM engine camshaft. I had it laying around so it's ideal. Step two, you need to buy yourself a lamp making kit. So you can get these off eBay for about £10. They consist of everything you need to make a lamp. They've got the switches, they've got the bulb holder, the cable, plug, everything you need. Get one of them. Step three, you need to drill a hole in the end of the camshaft. This will allow the bulb holder to fit in the end. You need to drill a hole in the side of the cam so the cable can come out the side. Once the bulb holder is fitted, the cable should just pull through nicely. I'd recommend drilling a slightly bigger hole than the cable. This will make it easier to slide through. Step four, bond the bulb holder to the camshaft. You can use a two-part adhesive, body filler, fiberglass, even super glue, anything like that, just to glue it on. Step five, wire up the plug. And then finally, step six, fit the bulb and try your new light. What do you think? Doesn't look too bad, does it? Now obviously I've left this rustic, but you could lacquer it or you could paint it silver or whatever colour you wanted, but for the effect I wanted, rustic does the job. Hope you liked the video. Stay tuned for more. Thank you. Lights out.